You're relatively new to Mueller, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yep.
tell me a little bit of, first of all, why did you even become an accountant?
I get this question a lot, actually. So when I was in high school, they had the most basic introductory accounting class. It was debits and credits, learning all about those, and then actually reconciling your cash in your bank account. So it was almost like financial as well, just so you could learn a little bit about it. And I actually loved it. I did so well in it. A lot of people didn't understand it. I was like, I'm awesome at this. So I thought that was pretty cool.
I meet with people, I meet with firms around the country, around the world actually, and I hear work-life balance. So I want to talk to you about that, because it seems like that is a hot button, not only for you,
is.
it's
Yes.
for me, it's for most everybody.
What I love about Mueller is when I was first interviewing for a position here with Chris, I asked about that aspect, how is the work-life balance? And he actually said, our managing partner, Dave Nissen, he's always said, our people first, our clients second. We always gotta, make sure we take care of our people, because at the end of the day, the work is still gonna get done, but the people are the ones that are, bringing the quality, getting the job done. So we have to care about them. And it's nice seeing that we have the flexibility here where, you have to get your work done, but there's flexibility for, seeing your family, spending time with your kids.
Your typical audit assignment, when you're out doing an audit, what are you seeing when you're doing the audit? If you can maybe share some of those
Yeah,
thoughts.
I think as an associate here at Mueller, you definitely touch every aspect of the audit: cash, AR, AP, expenses, we have benefit plans too. So most people at bigger firms, they wouldn't be put on pensions or other benefit plans. And we have audits solely for benefit plans, so you get a lot more experience. But I think you have definitely a more wider range of getting to experience and dabble with and, improve your skill sets in different areas. Because, it's typically usually an associate and then a manager or a supervisor or a senior, one of those with you on your jobs. So you're basically doing all the work, and then you have your manager and supervisor reviewing. So essentially you get to, work on the work papers yourself, and it's kind of like, you got to figure it out. You could always ask questions along the way, but you're kind of on your own, and I think it's a great learning experience, because you have to, talk to the client face to face. You have to try to figure out why, certain accounts went up during the year and why they decreased, and do the analytics of stuff like that. I love that Mueller has all the different aspects of an audit, and you get to work on all of them.
How did you select the audit road, the route that you went down right now?
Okay, I'm going to be brutally honest. So I feel like in college you take one tax class and one audit class. My tax class was taught by professor that was in his late 80s. I found the material to be very dry, and I didn't really like it. So I took my audit class, and it was a complete 180. It was completely different. And I loved the class. I loved, all the activities we did, and the professor was awesome. So I think one of the biggest things I could, a piece of advice I could give to people that are in college right now, students, when making their decision, I think they should venture out and try and take different classes.
Yeah.
So it's not based solely on that decision. I think the biggest factor was that I liked that I was going to be able to go out to clients, and tax usually stayed in the office, because I like the relationships and forming relationships with the clientele, and I love talking to people. So it's a win-win for me.